good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I don't know what number we're on, but we're on, I don't know, like somewhere in the teens. So we are doing these daily short video challenges. They are introductory videos helping you learn the common moves, the pace, the common terminology to all the workouts that I teach online, and so that you can do a full class and feel confident doing it. And it takes learning and practice, and that's why we're here. So thank you for being here. This is my online studio, and I teach live classes 4 days a week. And you are welcome to join us. The Facebook group to do that is somewhere above or below this post, along with all the other challenges if you've missed those. They do go in somewhat of an order, and I'm doing Piyo breakdowns and cardio kickboxing / turbo kick breakdowns. So we are on the cardio kickboxing / turbo kick breakdowns right now. So this is my studio. My name is Kate, and we always have a quote of the day. This was today's. We did warrior rhythm today for our class. That's another format. I'm going to get to those videos later. Anyway, I always have reminders up, and today, you guys, I want to go through, so in our cardio kickboxing workouts that we do, and in turbo, so there's two different formats that I teach, there's usually some kind of HIIT section, and in turbo kick, the HIIT section builds up throughout the entire workout to a final one long giant HIIT section where we put every single move together. So it's really cool because throughout the workout you learn the moves, and then at the very end you put them all together into one long choreographed, really fun section, very high intensity section. So we're gonna build up a turbo section over the next few days, okay? So normally we do this all in one class. We're gonna break it down over the next few days. So let's get to the workout screen. What's really cool about my workouts online, we have a front view and a side view, and actually I got to get my mat out of the way because you don't need a mat for turbo. A mat is useful for warrior rhythm and for Piyo and soul fusion. Those are the other formats that I teach. So also, why am I wearing a scarf when I'm working out? Because this room doesn't have heat right now and I'm freezing. So I forgot to mention that yesterday. And I thought people are probably wondering, like, what is she trying to, like, make a fashion statement? No, I'm just very cold. So, okay, so couple moves I want to show you before we get to we're going to learn 2 HIIT sections today. And then we're going to try those 2 HIIT sections alone. But a couple moves I want to show you first to preview. We have not talked about these moves yet. They are pretty common in turbo kick and in the cardio kickboxing. One is a shoulder brush or a swipe, and it's a very dancey move, and basically you're taking your palm and you are brushing your shoulder off, okay? Brush, 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 brush. I also call it a swipe, 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 okay? So sometimes I'll reference it as a brush or a swipe. It's fun. You lean into it and you dance, okay? You're brushing off your shoulder. The other moves that we're gonna do today, a 7-step. Okay, a 7-step is fast feet. You're going to imagine that you have a watch on, or maybe you really do, and you're going to go fast feet 7 steps to the right, and on that 7th step, you're going to look at your watch and crunch your core. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knee comes up, okay? But it's fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. It's a HIIT section. That's 7-step, okay? Zigzag. Zigzag is a common move in cardio kickboxing and in turbo. Zigzag is when you have a wide stance and your tailbone's tucked under, core is tight. You're having your arms up and you're going side to side. Zig, zag, zig, zag. It's obliques. It's often accompanied with a knee pull, and it looks like this. Zig, zag, zig, zag. And then sometimes the knee pulls up or this knee pulls up. It kind of depends on what the pattern is. Today we're not going to do any knee pulls. It's just going to be down in that low stance. Zigzag, zigzag, and then we are going to do a hold, hold. Zigzag, zigzag, hold, hold. Okay, so again, tailbone is tucked. It's like you're up against a wall, one side to side. So you're not leaning forward on this. That's going to be bad for your lower back. I think those are the moves. In today's HIIT, we do also do so it's a step, punch with the knee, step, punch, step, punch. And then this is where we're gonna do those 2 swipes after, the shoulder brushes, okay? So let me preview the 2 sections and then let's try it together, okay? So I'm gonna preview, you can try these with me, but then we'll do the real thing with the music. All right, I'm gonna turn it up. Music goes up nice and loud in our class. I'll turn it up kind of loud to start. And then for the real practice session, we'll turn it up even louder. Okay,
Here we go.
so let me get my music. So good. All right, so this is the first section, and this is where we're gonna do the swipey move that I showed you. All right, so here's how it starts.
Here we go.
You're gonna step right and punch. So it's step, punch, now 2 swipes. It's 2 punches and 2 swipes. Punch, punch, swipe, swipe. Okay, now new move. We're gonna get down low and just jump rope and then hold the heels right here. Fast, hold, hold. Quick, 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 hold, hold. One more. Okay, back to the punch. 2 punches, now swipe. It could be small to start, but it's quick. Boom, boom, swipe, swipe. Okay, get down low, heels. Hold it, boom, boom. All right, so that's our preview. Ready to try it? It's your turn to try. Maybe you tried it right there. I'm gonna turn the music louder and we're gonna actually do it full throttle, okay? Just those 2 moves to start. All right, here we go, here we go. Turning the music louder.
Here we go. Here we go.
Hey, here we go, she says. All right, I'm turning the music up there for us. Hey, you're ready to rock? You got this? If I can get my music to go. Sometimes my watch doesn't really listen to what I tell it to do. All right, here we go. Okay, so remember that first move is the 2 knees and the 2 swipes. You can dance while we wait.
Here we go.
Okay, we're gonna step right and punch. Go, step. Now 2 swipes. 2 punches. 2 swipes. Punch it. Swipe it. Punch it. Okay, ready for heels? Heels and jump rope. Now hold it. Hold, hold. You can look at your watch there. See, you got this. We're gonna do it all again. Ready? Step and knee, go. Now swipe. 2 knees. 2 swipes. Knees. Swipe. Woo! Heels, get down low, go. Hold it, hold, hold, quick. See? It's a pattern. You can do it. One more. Yeah, jump rope. That's it. That's a HIIT section. So, you guys, you can totally do this, right? Let's try that section one more time. And then tomorrow we'll
Here we go.
do that second section. Okay, so we're going to repeat. Woo! Heart rate should already be up. Let's do it one more time. One more time. You're going to be a pro. Plus, I'm really cold, so this is helping me warm up. Okay, same moves. Same moves.
Here we go. Here we go.
Step 2 knees, go. Now 2 swipes. 2 knees. Make it bigger this time. Swipe. Knees. Swipe. One more time. Heels, get down low, go. Now hold it. Hold, hold. It's like you're looking at your watch. It could be little hops here. It doesn't have to be big. Okay, we're doing it again. 2 knees, go. Now 2 swipes. 2 knees. 2 swipes. Woo! Rocking it. Hey, get down low. Now hold it. Hold, hold. Heels. Hold it. Boom, boom. One more. Yeah, jump rope. Right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hey. Turn this down. Okay, I'm warm now.
Here we go, here we go.
Okay, so because this video's already 10 minutes, you guys, we're gonna do those other moves I showed you, the 7-step and the 7-step and the zigzag. We'll do those tomorrow. So you learned one HIIT section today. So in turbo, we build up 4. I think it's 4 HIIT sections, and then those get strung together. So we'll do another one tomorrow. We'll try to do 2 tomorrow. We'll speed it up. And then hopefully by Monday we can put them all together. All right, so you guys, when you come to my classes every day, you get a fun sticker. This was today's sticker. Very appropriate because it was really hard to wake up today. So, kudos to you. You're alive and awake, and so you also get the got out of bed sticker today. So you guys, like I said, find the challenges above or below this that are the previous days. I think we're at like I said, 16 or 17 maybe. And half of them work through Piyo, and the other half work through turbo kick and cardio kickboxing. And you can find the link to our Facebook group below. Make sure you are in that group. Make sure you are in Lindsay's group, participating in her challenges to win free workout gear. What else? Find me on these platforms. If you're there too, tag me on Instagram if you do any fun workout video clips. I love seeing those. And I think that's it. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.